Good morning, children. This video I am posting for first chapter of moral science, that is Thomas Alva Edison. Moral of the chapter is going to be optimism. Optimism. Very first we need to know what is optimism. Optimism is the skill of focusing on the positive aspects without denying the negative ones. That is, it means that whatever is the situation in the life, even if we are facing odds in our life, we need to focus on positive aspects. Even if we are going through tough time in life, do not think negative. Always thinking positive in any aspects, in any tough conditions, thinking only about positive phases. That skill is called optimism. So students, here chapter is about Thomas Alva Edison. This name is not new. We are very much familiar about, we know very well that Thomas Alva Edison was the one who invented electric bulb. It is named here incandescent lamp. Thomas Alva Edison was born on February 1847 in the town of Milan, Ohio, USA. He was the youngest of the 7 children in his family. When he was born in his teens, he decided to be self-sufficient and started selling newspapers for his earnings. Here, self-sufficient, there is a word self-sufficient. What do you mean by self-sufficient? It means needing no outside help, that is, taking nobody's help in satisfying one's basic needs. Basic needs. That is self-sufficient. So he started selling newspapers for his earning. Edison's great desire was to set up his own laboratory, and whatever he was earning from his selling newspaper, he started buying equipments to start with his chemistry laboratory. Equipments are the items, necessary items needed for particular purpose. Say if we talk about chemistry laboratory, all items which are needed, all tools which are needed for laboratory, he started purchasing those tools, equipments. In the basement of his house, he started his chemical laboratory. But that was also a disturbance for his family because foul odor means unpleasant smell was there from his laboratory and strange noises. That was very disturbing for his family, and so he was forced to close it down. Edison left his home to see the new world. He got a job in Boston, and whatever free time he had, he always invented his time. He always used his time in inventing new things. He invented an electric voice recording machine, but it proved to be a disaster. That is, it was not successful. But there were so many ups and downs in the life. He kept experimenting against all odds. This is very important line of the chapter. He kept experimenting. That is, he continued with his task against all odds. Edison opened a laboratory in Milan Park in 1876. Once in his laboratory, he wanted to get the internal measurement of an irregular glass bulb. He asked one of his assistants to do it, who was an expert in mathematics. To help him out, the assistant got down to work to get the measurement. The assistant strived for weeks but failed to get the measurement. Edison gently smiled and showed him the method and got the measurement within few minutes. The method was very simple. Edison filled the bulb with water and then poured the water in the measuring glass and hence got the measurement. It was very simple method that he used. Another time when Edison and his team was working to invent incandescent lamp, they could not find a suitable material that glowed on heating. These are all practical problems they were facing, or Edison was facing in inventing for his invention. One of his team assistants asked him how he intended to find the right substance that did not glow. Edison replied that by checking hundreds of elements he had eliminated all substances that did not glow. Soon he would find the right substance. Again, very important line of the chapter. Edison was so optimistic. He was a very positive thinker. He always looked positively for all situations in his life that he turned every failure into success. In life, we face ups and downs, success and failures. When we are successful, we are very happy. But in case if there is a failure in life, we are sad. But the lesson we get from here is that we need to be optimistic, that is, we need to be positive in life. Even if we face failures, because that positivity will turn your failures into success. Thank you.